Sending mass marketing emails with RoverPass, Zapier, and MailChimp. Step 1. Create a MailChimp account and set up fields. Sign up for MailChimp. Go to MailChimp.com and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience section. This is where you'll manage your contacts and their information. Set up required fields. Click on Manage Audience and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings, search for the option Audience Fields and Tags. Here, create new fields that correspond to the data you will import from RoverPass, such as check-in and check-out dates. This is an example of creating a check-in field. Step 2. Create the email campaign in MailChimp Design. Your email, under the Campaigns tab in MailChimp, click on Create Campaign and select Email. Build journeys or automations. Consider creating automated journeys or workflows triggered as soon as contact data is transferred from RoverPass to MailChimp. For detailed instructions on creating automations or customer journeys in MailChimp, visit MailChimp.com. Step 3. Connect MailChimp to Zapier. Return to Zapier, where you previously set up the trigger with RoverPass. For the Action app, search for MailChimp and select it. Configure the action. Choose Add Update Subscriber as the action event. This will allow you to add new subscribers to your MailChimp list or update existing ones with new information. Connect your MailChimp account to Zapier by following the prompts to authorize access. This will enable Zapier to send data from RoverPass to MailChimp. Map the fields. In the Mapping section, you'll need to connect the fields from RoverPass to the corresponding fields in MailChimp. For example, map the guest's first name from RoverPass to the first name field in MailChimp. Map the guest's last name to the last name field. Map the email address, check-in date, and checkout date to their respective fields in MailChimp. This mapping ensures that all relevant information is accurately transferred from RoverPass to MailChimp, allowing you to personalize your email campaigns. By following these steps, you can effectively connect MailChimp to Zapier and automate the process of sending marketing emails to your guests.